In this example, we have subtraction and multiplication, decimal numbers. The order of operations for decimals is the same as for whole numbers and fractions. So first we have to do multiplication when we don't have sign, and the sign is always multiplication, and next we have to do subtraction. So first I will multiply 0.4 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, so we have to write 2 and 1 we add to next column. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. What next? We have to count decimal places. In the first number we have 1 digit after decimal point, so we have 1 decimal place. In the second we don't have decimal point, so we don't have decimal places. So we have to count from the right to the left 1 decimal place. Then so the solution from the multiplication is 1.2. First number we copy 6.2 minus 1.2. Subtraction of decimal numbers we have now. So on the top we have to write 6.2. We have to align decimal points, and we have 1 decimal point 2. Subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. Decimal point we copy exactly in the same column. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have solution 5.0, or you can write only 5. This is my solution.